Alam ko na.
Mga kanta ni ano, Tesni?
Alam ko na.
Ay, ano naman? Ano nga?
Grabe na pala sa mat.
I need you.
Natakmat kami! Natakmat kami!
I need you.
Wala ka pala ang
I need you.
I need you like water, like
Isang sinig.
Kasi ano namin yung atang hirap.
at ang hirap.
At ang hirap?
English, Tagalog.
English?
Hindi man parang
Tagalog.
Wait lang.
agad ko ang iyong inisan sa istoryang nagwawakas sa pag-ibig na wakas.
Marami akong baon.
Puno
Ayaw?
ang langit
Yun nga.
ng bituin.
When I was your man, rainbow, yellow, one, nothing but love.
Dito lang naman pala eh. Tama yan.
Alipin sa'yo, Bes. Alip. Ay, meron ano nga.
Bubuhos ko ang puso ko
Alipin ako. Ay, sa'yo.
sa munting harap
Ayun na nga ako, alipin na ako.
Kaya
para
nga.
sa'yo.
Ben.
Next time.
Hindi, si Jade pa, tas si Eloy, tas si Beng.
Wala akong alam.
Tama yan. Hindi,
Parang sa video.
Miss you were here.
When I was your man na lang. Bruno Mars.
Yan, when I was your man. Tama yan.
Ay, biro kang kamay.
Party in the USA, ayaw mo?
Ano yun?
Hindi ko din alam.
Una.
Next to sing, we call on Miss J. Krishna Maglaya After. Give him a round of applause. Mga tao natin. Kung pangalan, mag-yes, mag-furnas ka na.
Ano yun?
Hindi gago.
Best bagay mo ha? Mag-host ka na lang.
Tama.
Bagay mo.
Ayaw mo ako?
Gago, next Kayla.
Tinayuan ba?
Bibigyan ng kanta.
Nakakapaliw ka pa.
Rotation pa gagawin, bis na inog. Kanta.
Bis na rin tagay lang inaanong dapat.
Ano gusto mo? Tagay o yung
Gusto mo malagpas yung fight na lang.
My heart breaks a little when I hear your name, and all just sounds like too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers.
Ba't kasi? Ba't ganyan po kayo?
Should give you all my hours.
Ay, tanga!
When I had a chance, take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby is dancing, but she's dancing with another man.
Ah!
Ay, wala pa.
My pride, my ego, my needs, and my selfish ways. Yes, a good, strong woman like you to walk out of my life. Now I never get to clean up the mess I made. Oh, and it haunts me every time I close my eyes, and all just sounds like ooh.
Literal na malamig.
Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have given you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. I know it's probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistake, but I just want you to know. I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. Take you to every party so you remember how much you love to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done.
Long live ka na, Miss.
Guys,
I
hindi na tayo guys.
was
Sige, long lip the best.
Long live.
Favorite namin yung
Pa-cancel yung breathless.
Long
Best.
live
Sa'yo.
the
Long live kay Kon, kay...
graduates. Now the
Ay,
green
sa'yo.
of night shine just for me and you. Habang swimming long live all the magic we make and
I
bring
like your
on
eyes,
the
you love the
shadows.
way when you
Hindi
kiss
ito.
and it's okay.
Sino ba?
Siya, tapos si Weng.
Weng, oh.
Tapos
Hello.
siya, tapos yan.
Hindi ako ah. Kakauwi na tayo.
Abigail, palakingin mo.
Yan na.
Last rotation na to.
Last na to guys. Tama.
Tapos na, 444 pa lang, kaya pa 10. 10. Pasal yung awishing, na?
Ayun o. Tamo yan. Nakaano pa lang.
I like your eyes, you look the way when you pretend that
Bakit
it's
sa
okay.
best? Bakit
I
sa
like
best?
the
Bakit best?
dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more than words may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. So be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be near. I love you for so long, sometimes it hurts so bad, but after all this time, I hope you win. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, I know I can make you cause baby, you're the one. I don't know how. Love you till the
Nililitek pa ba natin yung TikTok?
Love you till the rainy days becomes fear. Never knew a love like this. Now I can't let go. I am in love with you. And now
Nagkaroon ng tubig yung putas ko. Hindi naman nyo.
I like the way you try so hard when you play ball with your friends. I like the way you
Dapat
get to
nag-always
know
split na lang.
me so reassuring. I love the little things like when you're unaware. I got you still at last and smile so perfectly. No times my life brings me down. You're the cure, my love. In a bad rainy day, you take all the worries away. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, I know I can quit you 'cause baby, you're the
Ba't ang
one.
hirap yan?
I don't know how.
Parang gusto ko
In
yung
a
ang
world
hirap.
divided like you in your eyes, I see the light, my future. Always and forever, I know I can let go.
Tama, pag-usapan din namin yung kanina. Buntes?
And now you
Kuya Boris.
know.
Buntes?
Bini?
Buntes? Sino?
Post ni Gampar, hindi naman sinabing buntis.
Sinabi niya ata.
Sinabi niya upang hindi makabuo.
Gumamit
Hindi
ka sa...
naman sinabing buntis.
Oh,
Hindi naman
Oh,
sinabing.
next.
Hindi sabihin ko magamit sila ng
Sino next?
Hindi ko alam.
Si Renz. Ay,
Rowena.
si Rowena. Oo. She's done.
Oh, she's done. Okay na, ako tababali pa pa kayo. Nakanyam ka Rod.
Hindi ka mo.
Miss Ganya.
nga.
Ano pang mahirap?
Kanya.
Long live.
Ano nga? Ano sa'yo? Ano ka na ng pusis? Pag sisgan, ayaw mo.
Long live.
Ano sa'yo na yun? Sa'yo yung no. Ikaw.
Ano the best? Block space.
Tama, tama.
Damn.
Taylor Swift lang.
Ikaw,
Sige,
sarap
makita.
hirap.
Hindi, hindi po.
Ah.
Ano, ay, akin din.
Ayun po na Taylor Swift ko.
Uy, paano to, best? Paano na
Ano
nila?
title nun?
Bibili ako with me.
Baby, we got lost.
Tumabi ka.
Hindi, yung maliit lang.
Said remember this moment.
Uy! Yay!
In the back of my mind,
Grabe naman yun. Gabi yung control
that
ba?
we should be taking hands and crowded stand when wild.
Di ka kita sa video, Wes.
Kasi sa right pag yan.
With the kings and the
Hoy, Lex!
queens,
Kunin mo yung certificate, magpipicture-picture mo kami.
and the red of our name.
Dali na.
The night you dance like you know our
Away araw na ako, Ben. Hindi na ako sa araw. Alam, ikaw mo alam doon. Doon ka.
You feel the red like a hero
Tagal nyo.
on a storybook page.
I-portrait mo paano mag
It was like a pagiging para sa pag-ibig. Lonely, the walls we crashed through, all the kingdom lights shine just for me and you. I was screaming lonely, all the magic we made, and we all the promise. One day, we will be remembered. I pass the pictures around.
Basta nagwawala siya. Uy, baka kita naman kami dyan.
So we stood there on the sidelines, wishing for right now.
Guys, ako na lang mag-picture.
The kings and the queens, traded your people around.
Uy, hindi. Sino susunod na dito? Ako ba? Blank space na lang. Okay, best blank lang. Kaya mo na si Carl. Wala lang rotation. Pinulungin ko na.
Uy, may tumatawag. Uy, itong ito yung tumatawag. Lock daw, eh. Lock daw. Uy, ina, hindi tumatawag yung boyfriend mo. I can show you how